What's up guys, this is Vinay Singh from Malaysia. I hope you have a fantastic day and I'm going to start finding the street food in Malaysia and I'm very excited. I am with my Japanese friend and he's my roommate and his name is Mokato. He's a great human. If I compare with the Singapore, Malaysia has a lot of street vendors and all are in a good price. If you want to compare which is the safest country, then I would say Singapore is more safest as compared to Malaysia. Even Singapore is most safest country in the world. Now we found the street vendor and they are selling the fruits, and fruits are always been a good for a gym lovers. And look at this, how they are selling the fruits in a good price. Each and every fruit packet cost of 2 ringgits and they have mango, pineapple, guava, strawberry, peach and some other fruits. And I ordered the pineapple and my Japanese friend ordered the guava. Well, thank you ma'am for change. This shop is doing great things awesomely good because they are selling the fruits in a small packet and in a good price, and fruit is always been a good. It's look like a frozen fruits, but they all are awesomely very fresh fruits. Even they are also providing the extra large toothpicks to eat the fruits. And look at this very yellowish slices of pineapple with the juice at the bottom. Well, let's have a first bite. Immediately after the first bite, you can taste the sweetness of the pineapple. Wow! Mokato is enjoying the guava and I am enjoying my pineapple. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the thumb button and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. Well, that's all for today. God bless you and your family.